Bonjour Malensky! Saba? Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is more happiness and peace of mind, of course. For sure kung nandyan ako, isa ako sa mga mabubusog mo. Muli, happy birthday Malensky. I love you with the love of the Lord. And soon magkikita tayo, magkakabanding din tayo. So as of now, medyo kamsa-kamsi pa, pero I hope soon magkikita tayo at magkakamit tayo, magkakabanding tayong lahat ng QA. Bye-bye Malensky! Happy birthday uli! Love you!
Had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands out to the sky, we danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Hi Guro! Happy birthday! Alam mo kung ano yung wish ko sa'yo ever since, diba? Niloloko kita na mag 70%. Pero joke lang yun. Alam ko naman kung gaano ka pure yung heart mo, Guro. Kaya kung ano man yung wish mo sa birthday mo, lalo na today, is sana matupad. And more blessings kasi napakabait mong tao. Isa ka sa dahilan kung bakit nakakaalam kung ano yung story na story ko. Isa ka sa mga trusted friend ko. And wish you more birthdays and more healthier life. I love you, Guro. Happy birthday ulit.
Matanda, ngunit bata pa rin ang ating mundo, ang ating Happy birthday, Marelan Ramos. Naan mo, bumati ako sa iyo ng magandang hapon, magandang buhay. Happy birthday, Marelan Ramos. Pasensya ka na, friend, ah. Busy ang lola. Take care lagi. And alagaan mo sarili mo. God bless. And sana lahat ng mga nasa bucket list mo is all goods. Happy birthday, friend. Love you.
Hi Malen, happy birthday. Golden girl ka na. Welcome to the club. Malen, I wish you all the best. And may God grant the desires of your heart. And may He bless and keep you. And thank you Malen sa lahat ng support mo simula nang hinawakan ko ang assembly. And you are a blessing to me. Marami tayong pinagdaanan. But ang weapon natin is prayers. So, salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa pagdadasal. And now, nakikita natin lahat ng favor ni God sa team natin. Thank you, Malen. Love you. And again, I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Malen. Isa lang naman yung wish ko sa'yo na sana bumuka na ang bukang liwayway. Stay kind, stay healthy, at sana makatagpo ka na talaga ng kung sino man yung magpapasaya sa puso mo. It's about time na masilayan na ang araw ng bukang liwayway. Ganon!
I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. 2, 3, 4. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Hi Malen! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday sis! Kamusta ka na? Ingat ka palagi dyan. Stay beautiful inside and out. Nandito lang ako. I miss you. Again, happy birthday. Saranghe. Bye! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Malen.
Happy golden years. Golden girl ka na. Welcome to the club. Ano bang masasabi ko kay Malen? Malen, you are a good person. Noong nandyan pa ako sa Analog, for almost 21 years, na nakasama kita, ikaw yung pinaka-cool, tsaka relax na tao. Hindi kita nakitaan ng bad attitude. Mabuti kang tao, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health. At ituloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting tao mo. Kaya ka maraming kaibigan kasi mabait ka. Gusto ko, mabuting ka pa ng times 2 ng age mo na 50. So 150 years old ka pa. Kaya mo yan, Malen. Times 2 ng 50. So 100.
1 million.
Haba. So, happy birthday ulit. Ay, meron palang gustong bumati sa'yo pa. Nandito kami sa Sofitel. Nagkataon na yung araw ng pag-greet ko sa'yo ay nandito kami, kumakain kami sa Spiral Buffet.
Asam.
Ito pa ang gustong magbati sa'yo. Sam, you say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po. Si Liza pa, ayun pa. Oh. Happy birthday po. Tsaka ito pa isa.
Happy 50th birthday, Malen. Malen, happy 50th birthday. Golden girl. Wish you all the best.
So, yan lang, Malen. Ulit, thank you for the friendship. Maging healthy ka araw-araw. Magpatuloy yung pagiging mabuting kaibigan sa lahat ng kaibigan mo. Thank you. Bye!
Hi Marlene, happy birthday. Ang wish ko, good health, be happy lang, walang stress. Kaya lang sa trabaho mo talagang stress. Basta good health. Again, happy birthday. Love you, sis. Miss ya.
I howled at the moon with friends, and then the sun came
Hello Malen, happy 50th birthday Mare. Grateful ako sa friendship na nabuo ng grupo natin mula Pasay hanggang Cavite. Wish ko lang sa'yo is maging masaya ka, healthy, and at the same time, be happy. Thankful ako sa'yo sa naging participation mo din sa buhay ko dahil ikaw yung taong napakabait, napakamatulungin, at higit sa lahat, very dedicated sa work. Congratulations on your 50th birthday and wish you more birthdays to come. Lagi mong tatandaan that mahal na mahal ka namin ng inaanak mo. Wish you ulit a happiest birthday, Mare. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Malen. Our lunch out buddy. A good leader. Stay pretty, humble, and kind. And one more thing. The best way to enjoy life is to forget your age. Just remember the good memories. Thank you for the good memories that we had. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Timalen. Pakain naman oh. Sige na.
Happy birthday, Ate Malen! May this golden birthday bring you all the happiness you deserve!
Pakain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
good morning or good afternoon. Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best and happiness. Ano ba yan? Nasa 50 ka na daw. Di ka man lang nagmana sa manay mo. Nang kaalimbungan. Grabe. Well, huwag kang maging hopeless. Malay mo, makakita ka pa ng right guy na makakasama mo habang buhay. Yan ang wish ko sa'yo, na sana makakita ka pa. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Pwede pa yan. Kahit na wala ng anak, basta may companionship ka, masaya na yon. So, happy birthday. Wish you anak happy life, good health, and more to come. Happy birthday. Love you. I miss you so much. Bye.
Hi, Malen. Magandang araw sa iyo. Kumusta ka na? I hope everything is well with you and your family. Binabati kita ng isang masagana at maligayang kaarawan. May you be filled always with God's love, happiness, and love from your family and friends, contentment, peace, and joy. May God also shower you with always abundant blessings and good health, and grant whatever the desires of your heart. I miss you and hope to see you soon. Mwah!
Happy birthday, kapatid! Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Tita Mali.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. We love you, Tita Malen.
I love you, Tita Mali.
Happy birthday, Tita Malen.
Happy birthday, Mami Malen. I love you so much.
3.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Tita Mali. Happy birthday, Tita Malen. Happy birthday, Tita Malen. Love you, Tita Malen.
Go.
Happy birthday, Tita Malen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mommy.
Happy birthday, Bunso!
Passionate.